Good morning dear students. In the last videos we have learnt about the lime soda process and softening through lime soda softener, cold lime soda process and hot lime soda process. In its basic principle we have studied that the calculated amount of lime and soda is added to hard water to remove its impurities or to convert its soluble impurities into insoluble precipitate. We must know about the calculation of lime and soda. How we can calculate lime and soda, how much amount of lime and soda is added to water when impurities are present. So in today's class, we will go with the calculation of requirement of lime and soda. Let us see the formula for calculation of lime and soda. That is the formula which is used to calculate the requirements of lime and soda when given impurities are present in water. The formula for the lime requirement is 74 by 100. Here 74 is the molecular weight of lime. 74 by 100 temporary calcium hardness plus 2 times of temporary magnesium hardness plus permanent magnesium hardness plus salts of iron, aluminium. Also we add bicarbonate ions here, acids HCl and H2SO4, gases like carbon dioxide, and sodium aluminate will be deducted from the values. In this formula, the values which are put in these places must be converted into calcium carbonate equivalents. The hardness is always present in the form of calcium carbonate equivalents. So the values given in the question must be first converted into calcium carbonate equivalents by multiplying their quantity into multiplication factor. Then they must be put in this formula. So in the form of formulas or chemical composition, we can write the formula as calcium bicarbonate plus 2 times of magnesium bicarbonate plus magnesium chloride plus magnesium sulfate. These two are the permanent magnesium hardness plus iron salt, that is FeSO4 7H2O. Salts of aluminum is Al2SO4 whole thrice. Bicarbonate ion is also added. Acids HCl and H2SO4 are added. Carbon dioxide gas is added. And sodium aluminate, that is coagulant, should be deducted. Why they are adding and deducting, it is known or explained in the chemical reactions which are associated with the lime soda process. Also, after the addition, we multiply it with the volume of water and with the 100% purity. That percent purity is of lime. In the question sometimes we have given the percent purity of lime is 80%, 90% or so on, and percent purity of soda is also given somewhere. This is the formula for lime requirement. Here we use both temporary calcium and magnesium hardness and permanent hardness of magnesium. The formula for soda requirement is this: 106 by 100. Here 106 is the molecular formula for the soda, that is Na2CO3. In the bracket we have written permanent magnesium hardness plus permanent calcium hardness. Permanent magnesium hardness is MgCl2 MgSO4 and permanent calcium hardness is CaCl2 CaSO4. We also add salts of iron and aluminium. Salt of iron is FeSO4 7H2O and salt of aluminium is Al2SO4 whole thrice. We add acid also, that is HCl H2SO4. In this equation we deduct bicarbonate ion. After that, we multiply it with the volume of water into 100% purity of soda. These are the formula which must be used for the calculation of lime and soda requirements. One point to be noted is that the values which are using here must be in the form of calcium carbonate equivalents, and the conversion of given quantities into calcium carbonate equivalents is done by the multiplication of the quantity with its multiplication factor. We have learned that how to convert the quantities into calcium carbonate equivalents in the previous video. So that is all for the today. We will study calculation of lime and soda by an example in our next lecture. Thank you so much.